Mile 2.
I'm dying. Look how red I am.
Mile 3. Oh my god. Beach rug. Oh my gosh, she's zooming. She's zooming over there. Oh, hell no. Cute. We're at Bill's Coffee. I got honey haze and Em didn't get anything. So I can't see. This is my first time ever tanning.
This is my second time tanning this month.
I feel very toasty. I feel sweaty,
But good.
but it feels nice.
We're probably gonna get lunch after.
Bye bye. We got popcorn chicken
Very yogurt slush.
and coconut latte. I was running to the bus station because I was late.
Can I see your screen?
Wow. I look kind of cool though.
Can I touch it? Is it touchscreen? Oh, tracking cancel? I canceled your tracking. Was that okay? Canceled your tracking.
Our performative reader over here.
Actually reading 13. Called Just for the Summer.
Stock store? There's a Birkenstock store here.
You wanna go? We're at Mendocino Farms. We got a sandwich and a wrap and a Esther shirt. So excited!
Oh, it is.